All right, guys, it's time. We're going to be giving away all this stuff that we showed in our very first video. Toolkit, impact, extension cord, tape, water key, bucket, random assortment of screws, tire inflator, and a drill bit kit. We have all the names in from all the comments on this wheel. I'm going to tap it and we're going to select a winner right now. Hey, congratulations to making 007. We'll be in touch. We'll be DMing you to see if we can get your contact info and see where we need to ship this stuff to. We look forward to seeing you soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll be doing more of this in the future. We're going to have a link to the video of this so you guys can check it out.